From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of flimsy hangers that can't hold the weight of your favorite clothes? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Metal Hangers Clothing Heavy Duty for Closet by WICQKL. This top-rated and best-selling product is a game-changer when it comes to organizing your closet. With its sturdy metal frame, you can hang your clothes with confidence, knowing they won't end up on the floor. The smooth texture of the hangers feels solid in your hands, and the sound of the metal clicking into place is reassuring. When you run your hand over the hanger, you can feel the ruggedness of the metal, and when you hang your clothes, you can see how they sit neatly and evenly, without any sagging or slipping. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a popular choice among those who value durability and reliability. In real-life use, I've found that these hangers are perfect for hanging heavy coats, suits, and dresses, and they're also great for keeping your closet organized and clutter-free. Unlike other hangers that can bend or break under the weight of your clothes, the Metal Hangers Clothing Heavy Duty for Closet can hold its own, and the result is a closet that looks neat and tidy. Whether you're a fashionista with a large wardrobe or just someone who wants to keep their closet organized, this product is a must-have. So why settle for flimsy hangers when you can have the best? Try the Metal Hangers Clothing Heavy Duty for Closet by WICQKL today and see the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.